Hello guys, this is Widow Maker aka Pinam Rai. Uh, uh, Today I'm gonna clean my puppy. I'm gonna bathe him with mild, hot water. Not that hot, not that cold, but it's lukewarm water. So please watch till the end. So this is how you it's his first time taking a bath, so he's kind of nervous. Itching. Don't worry. I'm gonna. It's for your own good. Oh, it's for your own good. He's got some lice and also I'm gonna make him clean. So I'm gonna bathe him with Dettol soap. As you can see, the soap, it's just for my dog. So this is how you gotta bathe the puppy. So you gotta catch him like this. You're gonna hold him like this. So he's gonna cry and all, but don't worry, I'm not hurting him. I'm bathing this puppy for his own good, for her own good. It's just this guy. It's not a he. It's just she. So I'm gonna bathe him so damn properly. So please do watch till the end. This is not a normal dog, okay? Have you heard of Bhote Kukur? In Nepali we call this dog Bhote Kukur. But in English we call this dog Mastiff, Tibetan Mastiff. It's not a normal dog, okay? It's a very expensive dog. Plus when he gets bigger, it's gonna be so damn aggressive, like Kangal. It's even dangerous than Pitbull. It comes second dangerous to Kangal dog. Bhote Kukur. Remember the name. It's Bhote Kukur. Found in Nepal, Himalaya, Sikkim, and Tibet. Pure breed of Bhote Kukur. So I'm gonna bathe him damn properly. So I'm gonna make these guys so damn clean. Wait. It's his first time taking a bath, so he is kind of nervous and is new to this water thing. So this guy might cry, but please viewers don't comment negative things, because cleanliness is next to godliness. So I'm gonna make her so damn clean. So this is how you bathe a dog, okay? Bear with me and watch till the end, okay guys? To all my viewers, so especially in his ears, now I'm just starting to, now it's time for we are bathing like this. Wait a minute. To all my viewers, please watch till the end, okay? I gotta clean this guy's ears because what do you mean there?
5.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
Bear with me, guys. Watch till the end and learn from this video on how to bathe a dog. So you gotta bathe a dog like this. Again, I'm telling you, remember the name. It's a Bhote Kukur. Found only in Nepal, Sikkim, and in Himalayan region. When this guy gets big, she's gonna get so damn aggressive, so damn loyal to his master. It's not a normal dog. You know? When this guy gets big, he can easily kill a wolf, fox, and all. You know? If you arrange a dog fight, even Pitbull can't handle this guy's fight. Bite force of this guy is so damn powerful. The most powerful dog in the world is Kangal, and the second most powerful dog is this guy called Bhote Kukur, Tibetan Mastiff. Have you guys heard of Tibetan Mastiff? I'm sure you guys have heard about Tibetan Mastiff. So this is it. In Nepali we call this dog Bhote Kukur, but in English they call it Tibetan Mastiff. Wait a minute. Not just a minute, wait some few minutes. Okay. See, it's all back. Little paws. So damn cute. Everybody is cute when they are little, you know. But when they get big, you won't find them cute. Even humans, you know, when they are small, every mammals are cute when they are small, when they are little infant. But when they get big, they ain't so cute. Close your eyes. Wait a minute. Okay. This is how you gotta bathe puppies. I'm not done. I'm not done with you here. Don't try to bunk away from me. I'm bathing you for your own good. Yeah. This guy's feeling so damn, worried. I'm not gonna hurt you, man. Please trust your master. No, it's for your own good. I'm doing this for your own good, okay? So please don't worry. And to all my viewers, you may think I'm hurting him. Hey, I'm hurting her, but that's not it, okay? I'm not hurting her. I'm just bathing. I'm just bathing her. So I'm gonna do its ear and then we are done. I'm gonna rinse this dog and then we are done. Almost done. We are almost done. Almost done, okay. Wait a minute. Now it's time for him to rinse. Wait. Wait a minute. The more you struggle, the more it's gonna take time. So wait a minute, yaar. Don't bump away. Wait. So this is how you wait now, puppy. It's almost done. You're almost done. Yeah. I'm sorry, please. Don't cry, yeah. Don't cry. Okay, we're almost done. We are almost done, yeah. Please cooperate, yeah. Cooperate now. The more you struggle, the more time it's gonna take. You इसको cover. Better cover. So okay, we are almost done. Wait now. Wait now, right? You are a part of my family member, so I gotta keep you clean. It is first time taking a bath, so he's not used to, taking a bath. He's not used to, water. That's why he's kind of shouting. He's kind of nervous because it's his first time taking a bath. You are in good hands. Okay. Now we are done. Okay, we are done. Now I'm gonna feed you some meat and I'm gonna make you sleep. Finally we are done. We are almost done. Just it's gonna take 30 seconds now. It's gonna take 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, do it like this. Just 30 seconds. Bear with me. Let's rinse this blood properly. Okay, we are done. We are all done.